Now, fishermen in Portland have mixed feelings about the most recent changes made by the government to its COVID-19 restrictions. The seafarers say changes allowing them greater freedom outside curfew hours are welcome, but they are afraid the shutdown for the next 3 weekends, including Easter, will hit them hard in the pockets. More in this report from Codian Barrett.
A group of fishermen mend their nets before going to sea, while others clean up their catch. It's been a mixed week for them. Days ago, the government upgraded their status to allow them to operate outside the curfew hours. The fishermen say it was an important and a practical change because many of them have been suffering heavy losses during the curfew, including from thieves.
When we get time for go there, that means the man can go take a pot them and draw a pot them when them feel like, Can go out and check how we stuff them.
We have pots and how we set them if we don't got a certain time to go and catch a fish. Whenever they pen, they drown, or whenever they net leave and then catch on the net and the fisherman cannot go to sea, they will just spoil. And then we lose all the support that we would need to put things in place and bring in.
The fishermen say Friday, Saturday and Sunday are their best days in terms of sales. Another busy period for them is Easter, due in part to the extra demand for fish because of Jamaican tradition.
Is a tradition, and Lent, people do not to fool on the meat. You understand? So we have to push out an effort to deal with the people when not eat the meat. You understand? So it's good for them and it's good for us also because we make money. You understand? And them keep them healthy.
But it just so happens that the lockdowns will impact 3 weekends, including Easter. So the fishermen are looking at new challenges.
The only problem we have is the people where they buy the fish, them now can't out. We have a problem with that. Because we go and we catch the fish and we come with the fish. How it go sell?
Chester is a fisherman based in Port Antonio. He said something similar to the government-driven e-commerce national delivery system ENDS could help them if implemented correctly.
The customer them we don't have all of them number. Like we call them to deliver the fish to them. You understand? Because if we can't get to them, depends on which part them live. Because some people might come from Manchineel, St. Margaret's Bay, them now you can't go to deliver fish, you're not going to gain anything. But it's gas expense that.
Codian Barrett, TVJ News.